Okay, so this video is just going to be about this first programming challenge. Now this is incredibly easy to do on Python, but I'm going to assume that you've got no prior knowledge to programming or understand anything about what you're doing at all. So all we're going to do is look at what the question is asking you first of all. So it says design a program which asks the user to input their name, age and favorite color. So there's actually no process and no output going on in this program. It's just going to ask you to input and that's it. So in order to do that, we need to create something called variables. Now a variable is an area in memory that can change during the program. So we're essentially making some sort of space that we can input some values and keep them, store a value inside them. It's like creating a blank piece of paper with a name. So the first blank piece of paper I'm going to create is called name, and that is just because it's a sensible name for this particular variable. So name equals input, because we want the user to input something, and then in brackets we're going to write a message to the user on what you want them to say. So for this particular one, it would make sense if we put enter your name. Now for the next one, age, we could do the exact same thing. Since there's no output, no process, no calculation, you could just put enter your age. And color, we can do the same as well. Your favorite color. Now technically that is the solution to the whole thing. So the only thing I would think about before you went any further is just age tends to be a whole number. So I personally would put integer and two brackets. And the reason why I've done that is because integer or int is a whole number. So anything that I type in this box is going to get converted into an integer, a whole number. For every bracket that you start, so I've got open bracket, we need to end the bracket, end the bracket, end the bracket. So technically that is the solution to challenge 1. It's a bit of a boring, pointless program, because when I run this program, if I save as, put it into my Python folder, challenge 1. Now if I run this program, it asks me to enter my name, age, and favorite color. And that's it, doesn't do anything. So because there's no process and there's no output, the program's a little bit pointless. If you were then putting some sort of output in, like print name, age, color, that would actually output everything that I've written. Oops, all in one. Now at least that's actually doing something worthwhile, but for the purpose of this challenge, that's all it wants us to do. So that is challenge 1 complete.